We provide you the platform to turn your dreams into reality. Give wings to your aspirations with KR Mangalam University.
भारत पाकिस्तान के बीच सीज फायर को लेकर देश में सियासत शुरू हो चुकी है। सीज फायर को लेकर सवाल खड़े करने वालों को कांग्रेस सांसद शशि थरूर ने करारा जवाब दिया है। 1971 की लड़ाई की मौजूदा संघर्ष को एक समान देखने वालों को शशि थरूर ने बताया कि पाकिस्तान के साथ 1971 में युद्ध अलग हालात और अलग मकसद के लिए लड़ा गया था, जबकि इस समय जो संघर्ष चला वो आतंकवाद के सफाई को लेकर था।
I think 1971 was a great achievement of our history. I'm proud of it as an Indian. Indira Gandhi ji rewrote the map of the subcontinent, but the circumstances were different. Today's Pakistan is a different situation. Their equipment, their military equipment, the damage they can do, everything is different. And the circumstances of Bangladesh, we were fighting a moral cause to actually bring people to freedom and liberation. That was a completely different story. This is a different story. We would have ended up with a much longer, protracted conflict with a lot of loss of life on both sides, a lot of damage, a lot of expense. Is this the biggest priority for India today? No, it's not. We wanted to teach those who had sent these terrorists across that there is a price to be paid. We still have to catch the individual terrorist perpetrators, but we do not need to tie the whole country down in a war. That is something I've been very clear about from the start. India did not, I believe, at any stage see the action of the 7th as the beginning or the opening salvo of a long protracted conflict. For us it was one-off. We'll do it. If Pakistan did not escalate, we would not have escalated. Pakistan did, we also did. It was getting to a point where if it continued like this, we would needlessly have been caught into a long drawn-out war without a clear objective at the end of it. Liberating Bangladesh is a clear objective. Just keeping on firing shells at Pakistan is not a clear objective. You see the difference.
न्यूज नेशन अब व्हाट्सएप पर खबरों के ताजा अपडेट के लिए न्यूज नेशन के इस QR कोड को स्कैन करें।